Now, Beacons AI is for creators, for managers, for brands, and it is all you need to power your creator growth. Simple as that. Now, you can get a username here, put in your name to give you a username that you can claim easily. Example, Alexa King. Then, what it does is it's quite simple actually, but does in a great way. You see, it is a supercharged creator hub to manage everything. Scale your business and own your data with your sales, marketing, and brand deals in one place. You get to customize your page, which inspires fans and cut through the noise. You get to own your audience, screw the algorithm, and market direct to fans. And you get to drive sales that sustain long-term growth. Build your dream brand partnership and get paid. Also, it is the next big thing. Yes, you can become the next big thing with Beacons. Wherever you are in your creator journey, Beacons has the tools you need to level up and grow your income. Now, what kind of tools I'm talking about? Let's find out. Now, these are the ones that are made by Beacons, as you can see. So it says for every creator from first post to fame and fortune, you can see. It gets started fast, any style, brand, build new streams of income, partner with brands that you love. Now we're talking about, look at this is the pricing. We are free forever. We have stop pro plan. Now, what are the tools it has? Look at it. Because it's an AI that helps you work smarter. Good. It's an AI learning engine that gets smarter the more you use it by building promotional emails, writing copy, and generating data insights using the tools like social asset generation, ready for you email marketing, social digest emails, email automation, product description, audience intelligence, and email terminals. So what are you waiting for? If you are an ambitious creator, you will love it. Believe me, you will. And the best time to start selling on Beacons was yesterday. So the next best time is now. To get started is free. Click here and get started. It's as simple as that.